Hey guys, let's learn to play a jazzy version of the Chipmunk song. Let's go. All right, there we go. Well, I didn't play it exactly like what was on the page there, but did okay. If you'd like to learn this measure by measure, step by step on the website, there's like a ton of lessons for this that I've already done. And you can do that on the website. You can download my big sheet for this. I have a big sheet that's not just one slide at a time. And I take you all the way through the whole thing and show you how to play it. And there are other Christmas songs, about 43 in all, I think, on the website now. And see you guys on there and just learn all these songs for Christmas. Have fun playing during the holidays. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you later.